Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at Delhi Machine Tool Expo and I'm standing in front of LMW stall and I'm here with Mr. Sameer from Zemco Manufacturers and Suppliers. Thank you sir, thank you for your time.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, please tell us about your company.
Sir, our company is started by our father in 1970s. So after that, we are running from about 20 years, 20, more than 20 to 25 years. We are running this company, and we are basically into exports. Uh, this unit is in Ghaziabad, and we are running it from about 2000. We are seeing this business. Before that, our father was seeing this business.
Fantastic. So what kind of components you are manufacturing in your factory?
We are manufacturing basically auto spare parts, auto engine parts, and some machinery parts, and some parts which we don't even know because these are export items. And sometimes the customer didn't tell us that in which part they are using, and they are very precision components.
Fantastic. So you have been working with LMW for quite a long. So how has been your experience working with LMW and using their products?
Yeah, actually, our first machine was from LMW, and Mr. Manoj actually he convinced us to use that machine. We were buying other machine at that time, and we don't have a proper knowledge of CNC at that time. And Mr. Manoj helped us a lot, and he convinced us, and we started with LMW, and this machine is still running and very good condition. And the quality that we got in LMW is almost as the same that we are using. We are getting in other companies.
Fantastic. So how has been the aftermarket after sales support from LMWT?
Yeah, it's fantastic. Whenever we get some problems, then the next day they visit our factory and they give us good solution. And their charges are also very nominal.
Fantastic. So you will also recommend LMW product to others.
Yes, definitely.
Great, sir. Thank you. It was pleasure meeting you. Thanks a lot.
Welcome.